I found a print-on-demand shop on Etsy that's doing over $5,000 a month. Not a big brand, not even a company with a warehouse. This is a single print-on-demand seller. It's the type of shop that either you or I could build that's consistently selling over $5,000 a month. And the niche they're in, almost nobody in the print-on-demand space is talking about it. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what it is, why it works, and how you can get into this space this week. So let's go. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Harry, and I'm the Print Shop Pro. This channel is dedicated to helping you build a real, profitable print-on-demand shop. We review tools, we review trending designs, and we provide actual research and proven strategies that work in 2026. Not theory, not recycled advice from 3 years ago, but actual up-to-date trends and data. If that sounds like something you're interested or would apply to you, please hit the subscribe button below. I drop new videos every week and you don't want to miss the next one. Okay, so let's talk about this new niche. The niche I'm referring to is breed-specific dog products. Now before you say that's too broad or that's too saturated, stay with me. Because this is not just dog stuff. This is hyper-specific dog identity merchandise built around different individual dog breeds. Think something like a sweatshirt that says Golden Retriever Mom, or a coffee mug that says I work so my pit bull can live its best life, or a tote bag designed exclusively for Frenchie bulldog owners. These aren't generic dog products. They're identity products, and that distinction is everything. When someone owns a specific breed, a Bernese Mountain Dog, a Shiba Inu, or a Corgi, they don't just have a dog, they have an identity. They belong to a community, and they spend money on products that reflect that. And that's why the shops that are doing it well are doing it at scale. Now, how did I actually find this? I use a tool called Profittree. Profittree is a product research tool built exclusively for print-on-demand sellers such as yourself and me. It shows what's actually selling on Etsy right now. Real sales data, real demand signals, no guessing, just real up-to-date data. Instead of spending hours scrolling through Etsy trying to reverse engineer what's working, Profittree scrapes through Etsy and finds what niches are profitable and what ones are working. I've been using it on my own shop now for about 6 months, and it genuinely changed how I do product research. This breed-specific dog niche, Profittree flagged it based off of sales data and volume coming out of shops that are currently selling in these niches. So if you want to do the same kind of product research that I'm showing you today and what we're going to go over, please click the link below in the description. It's an affiliate link that helps support our channel. So check it out. Seriously, it's worth it. Now let's dive in and let me show you what the numbers actually look like. On Etsy right now, the top selling shops within this breed-specific category have lifetime sales counts north of $10,000. Some are even sitting at $40,000 or $50,000, even $60,000. And their entire catalog is breed-specific sweatshirts, t-shirts, mugs, and guess what? $5,000 a month is not the ceiling on this niche. That's just what the mid-tier sellers are doing. Inside of Etsy, breed-specific product searches are what's considered evergreen. Dog owners aren't just searching for Christmas gifts, they're searching for birthday gifts, anniversary gifts, gifts for loved ones, and sometimes even dog-specific gifts for themselves. And that's the kind of demand you build a business on. Now let me break down the structural advantages here, because this isn't just luck. There are real reasons why this niche performs so well. First, the buyer is emotionally invested. A dog owner isn't just shopping casually. They're shopping for something that represents one of the most important relationships in their life. And that emotional charge is what drives impulse purchases. Second, personalization is built in. Even without a custom name or a photo, just making a product that's breed specific makes it feel personalized. As in, this was made for me. And that's the feeling that you're creating. And that feeling supports higher prices. Third, the design complexity is low. You don't need to be a professional graphic designer. A clean breed illustration, a relatable phrase, and strong mock-ups is all you need for a winning product in this niche. Fourth, one design system scales across multiple different listings. One great listing applied to 200 different dog breeds equals 200 different listings from a single concept. And fifth, repeat buyers are real. Dog owners tend to gift to other dog owners. They come back for new products. Word of mouth inside of breed-specific communities such as Reddit or Facebook is genuinely powerful, and it costs you nothing. Now here's how you actually enter into this niche. Step one, set up your platform. You want to connect Printify or Printful to your Etsy shop. For this niche, I would prioritize t-shirts, hoodies, and possibly coffee mugs. Those three product types cover the majority of what's selling the best in these breed-specific shops. Step two, you want to pick your breeds. Don't try to cover every breed in one day. Start by selecting the 10 most popular breeds in the US. If you don't know what that is, go to ChatGPT, search it, it'll give it to you pretty easily. These breeds have the biggest owner communities and the highest and most search volume on Etsy. Step three, build a repeatable design system. Create one core layout, maybe it's design with a phrase either above or below, and turn this into a repeatable template on Canva. And then once you've done that, just swap each breed to generate different variants. This is how the top sellers generate large catalogs without having to generate each design individually, which can take, days if not weeks. And remember, if you're not a graphic designer, we use Canva and Kittl. I would strongly suggest you do the same. Again, links below in the description. They are affiliates and they help support the channel. If that doesn't work, I would use AI tools to help generate images, or you can use other companies to find pre-made pictures of whatever breed you're looking for. But remember, whatever you decide to do, keep it clean and keep it readable. Step four would be to optimize your SEO. Your title should include the breed name, the type, and buyer intent phrases like dog mom shirt or dog dad gift. Be sure to use all 13 tags and think about how the buyer actually searches on Etsy, not how you think it should be typed. Step five is launch fast and then scale. The goal here is to get 20 to 30 listings within your first 2 weeks. You then want to go in and check your stats at around 30 days. See what's getting clicks and what's converting into sales. And here's where you want to double down on what's working and then cut out whatever's not. And there you have it. That's the system. Now here are a few mistakes that often kill sellers that are selling in this niche. Number one, don't go generic. Dog lover gift is oversaturated. However, terms like dachshund, mom sweatshirt, that's not oversaturated. The more specific you're targeting equals the less competition you're up against, and the higher your conversion rate will then be. Number two, don't neglect your mock-ups. Remember, your listing photo is your ad on Etsy. Your goal here is to get them to stop the scroll. Lifestyle photos or mock-ups showing somebody actually wearing the shirt outperform the flat generic images 10 out of 10 times. If you don't have a good mock-up, I would strongly suggest going to Etsy, type in, dog mom shirt mock-up or whatever it is, and there's plenty of blank mock-ups you could use. Number three, don't quit after 30 days. Etsy's algorithm is designed to take time to find and display new listings. Most shops tend to hit the real traction or their success, if you will, between that 60 and 90 day mark. And the sellers that quit after 30 days, they never stuck around to find that they were just 30 to 60 days away from finding their true success. And number four, do a quick trademark check just to make sure that your listings you're not copying anything or infringing on any copyrights. Most breed names are completely safe, but it only takes 5 minutes to check and it could save you a ton of time down the road. So here's where we landed. Breed-specific dog owner products is a print-on-demand niche that's doing extremely well on Etsy right now, where many shops are doing $5,000 or even $10,000 a month. Remember, the buyer is emotionally driven. The designs are repeatable and scalable. The demand is year-round. And the competition at the breed-specific level is still very low and very manageable. This is the kind of niche where a focused seller who launches fast and stays consistent can build a real monthly income. Not someday, but within the next 3 to 6 months. And if you want me to go deeper on any of this, the design system, the Etsy SEO, or how I use Profittree to validate before I even start designing anything, drop a comment below, tell me what you'd like to see, and I'll make my next video on that topic. And remember, if you got any value from today's video, please hit the like and subscribe button below. It helps us build a growing network and a community. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next one.